I'm going to show you how to change the focus peaking color for when you're trying to get focus manually focusing, but it also works just regular focusing with it. So if you want to change the colors or just turn it on for that matter, what you need to do is click the menu. Once you're at the menu, you want to go to the AF/MF function of the menu here. Scroll down to where you see peaking display. Select peaking display, and then on the peaking display at the top, flip it over and you turn it on or off. So you want it on, select that. Then you can change how intense it is. So if you want it stronger or weaker, you can click that, just turn it on high, select that, and then you can change to your color preference. Depends on the situation and what the background colors are, that sort of thing. You may want blue, yellow. Select blue this time here, and then you can just click back out. So from then on, if you hit the function button with it here, you can determine whether it's set in autofocus or manual focus. With this, the DMF, it'll show you focus peaking whether it's automatically selected or you're manually focusing. So just select that, tap the button. You can see on the figure, gives him blue highlights. Click at his feet here, select there, then focuses on him, on the background, back on him. You can see the colors changing with it. That's all you really need to do. If you want to turn it back off, you can go back to the function menu again. If you just go to regular autofocus on him, that peaking won't show up with it. Just go back to the menu again and you can turn that on and off however you want. So that's really all you got to do if you want to change the focus peaking on the A6700 Sony. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.